Now that you know how tricky scams can be, let's take a look at where they operate, because the short answer is they're everywhere. Scammers don't limit themselves to one method or one app. They follow you across platforms, adjusting their tactics to whatever environment you're in. They might start with an email, follow up with a text, and finish with a social media message. The goal is consistency, to make you believe you're talking to a real person or a trusted organization. Phishing emails are the oldest trick in the book, but they're still one of the most successful. Why? Because they've gotten smarter. These emails often look perfectly legitimate. They use real company logos, professional language, and even sender addresses that closely resemble official ones. In fact, around 3.4 billion malicious emails hit inboxes every single day. Next, there's smishing, scam texting. These messages hit your phone directly, often using urgency to catch you off guard. You might get a message claiming your bank account is frozen or a delivery driver couldn't reach you. These texts include a link that leads to malware or a fake login page. Roughly 70% of all mobile phishing attacks happen through smishing. Because texts feel more personal and immediate, people are more likely to respond. But remember, legitimate companies don't handle major issues through random text messages. Social media adds another layer. Here, scammers create fake profiles mimicking real people or companies. They might add you as a friend, comment on your post, or even message you pretending to be someone you know. A recent study found that 29% of people had at least one of their online accounts compromised this year, including email, social media, and banking accounts. Once the scammer earns your trust, they might send a link to a giveaway, ask for a small favor, or offer a job opportunity. Before you know it, you've clicked something dangerous or shared personal details that can be used later. Some scammers combine multiple tactics at once to build trust and make the scam harder to detect. These coordinated scams are dangerous because each piece supports the other. It's a full circle deception designed to make you act without question. To stay safe, always double check the identity of who you think is contacting you. Slow down before you click, use privacy settings on social media, and don't share personal data unless absolutely necessary. Scammers may change how they target you, but their goal never changes: to trick you into letting your guard down. Start to recognize the patterns, and you'll start to recognize the scam.